most online entrepreneurs doesn't fully understand the importance of knowing their niche. That's why they keep on grinding without getting the results that they want. Building a business is a learning process, and you just need to decide to follow what really works. Don't try to reinvent the wheel because there is really a pattern how to make your business a successful one. Just reflect back and ask yourself why you cannot get the results that you want for your business. The big mistakes of most online entrepreneurs is when they lose their focus and they don't speak directly to their ideal customers. And this is the biggest mistake that you should avoid. Most people are doing it wrong because they are not getting the big picture of identifying their niche. So, who you should be talking to? And this is where you should first identify your niche. The people that is suited or can relate to what product or services that you are offering. So it doesn't matter what kind of product you are selling, the principles are just the same. You need to know who you should be talking to, period. So let me give you some example here, and this is exactly what is happening on Facebook or on other social media platform. Most online marketers, they just simply throw their free goodies out there and wishing that everybody will take a bite. So like for example, how to lose weight in 14 days. Did you really lose weight yourself in 14 days? What if I am a fitness instructor and I am physically fit and I am fully aware that it is impossible for me to lose weight in 14 days? So who you are to tell me that I can do this? So it is just like that you are throwing this big fish net in the ocean and see if you can catch something. If you don't know how to fish or you don't know what time of the day those fish hang out, then you will just end up holding your rod forever or throwing that big net in the ocean without catching any fish, right? Or maybe if you are lucky enough, then you can catch some garbage. So if you are trying to build your team doing this network marketing business, or let's say you want to build your own mailing list, or maybe you want to promote this high-end ticket product of personal development, and you became aggressive throwing your big net on Facebook. So here's the thing. When you do that, you are just like throwing your big net to the ocean. And you don't care if you catch garbage, catfish, crabs, or sea bass. So you don't even care if you catch those poisonous fish. Well, that's how desperate and amateur do without understanding who they should be talking to. If you are building your business, how do you do it? Do you do the same thing? Because if you are doing this strategy, this will not gonna work for you and your business will suffer. Try to find your niche. Identify them. Do you want to work with anyone? What if that person will ruin your team or your community? Because all they do is complain and bash you. And they bring negative energy to your business. So if you are not selective enough, you are welcoming everybody. Come on, welcome, eat this, have this free bite, okay? From my goodies. So with my example here of losing weight niche, you are even putting out your message to those people who are happy the way they look with no intention of losing weight, or people who are more fit than you. So now, if you are serious in building your business, then you need to identify your niche. So I want you to listen here. How am I going to tell people to build their own business and quit their job if I myself is still working for someone else? So this is hypocrite, right? So can you tell someone to lose weight if you never experienced this yourself? Because you don't know exactly what it really takes to lose weight. So you don't know exactly how to be determined to go out there to the gym and run 45 minutes every single day. So you cannot target anyone if you don't understand their world. So can you tell a mom how to raise a teenager daughter if you yourself never give birth and raise a daughter? You cannot, right? So you are just making things hard for yourself. So who you are unique. You have your own backstory. Your backstory is different than me. So what was your life before? What is your life right now? Build your business with your own world that you know better. Your niche is who you were, okay? This is the past. Who you were. For me, I was an expat executive. I used to be involved in two business startup totally from scratch. So that was me before, and this is me right now. For you, what was your struggle or your frustrations that you experienced before? So knowing who you are is critical in selecting your niche. What you experience or learn from the past that you can help and share to people who are going through it now. So your current niche is what you are interested in now, okay? Why you or your business exists. If you are designing and building your own business, it is more easier to talk with people that is in the same world and same lingo that you have been through. You need to align your message with the people you are targeting. Check their profile. What do they normally read and watch? How do they post on Facebook? See how do they reply on comments? What do they share? What lingo they are using? So make sure it matches you because you do not want to build and do a business with those people who are totally opposite with the things that you do and the things that you love. So you do not want to be friends with them forever. So I hope this makes sense. So that's all for now. Jankua here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.